Hey, hello. Today I'm going to show you how to patch a concrete driveway. A year ago, I had my concrete driveway paved, and after a year, it just come. It, it has a lot of holes formed over the winter time. So if you don't really care about these holes, the holes is going to become bigger and bigger over the next year. So I think it's something that I have to do to just patch each of the holes. So you see here's the result. I've patched my concrete driveway. You can barely see any holes, and the color match is very good. First of all, you can't use concrete to patch a concrete because when the concrete dries out, the chemical forms and molecular has been changed. If you use another layer of concrete, two layers of concrete will not compound together. So it will become another layer whenever there is like a raining or there is another external force happens on that spot. The new layer will just come off. So there is a product used to patch a concrete driveway, and I use it. I think it is very good. Quikrete. It's a quikrete concrete patching compound. It's in the yellow color. You can find it in Home Depot. It's very easy to find. So it looks like this. You need the gloves. You need gloves to do the work. So first of all, of course, you need to have a thorough wash using the pressure washer, or make sure there is no dirt in the hole, and then you can start patching. Okay, I'll get a small amount of concrete patching compound here first, and then put it over here. So for small holes, you don't actually need to use the patching knife. You have to use your finger. Give a little bit smooth swipe over here. Don't just push too hard, or else the new compound will just come off. And then give a little bit more brush over here, and then that's good to go. Okay, after patching, you almost can't find where is the hole.